Hello there everyone. Today we're back with another video. And today we have a sad Mavric because I recorded 2 episodes of Witchcraft. That's why I'm so quiet. I'm just sad. I recorded 2 episodes of Witchcraft and both of them kind of just corrupted completely. Like, not even just the audio files, even though I wouldn't want to show you just a video without any sound. It's pretty much just they don't work at all. I can't edit them. They're just completely corrupted. So one sad Mavric. But yeah, we got Horsey McHorseface, and I'll talk about the last episode. So in the last episode we made the last 2 episodes we made this. It's an iron farm, but then I realized I needed to make a villager breeder, so we made that. Then we spent a whole episode just finding villagers and stuff, so that was fun. I'll just put that there for now. To make a 1-tick farm we're gonna need slime balls, so I'm gonna go back, make myself an iron shovel. Then we're gonna start digging down, or at least hopefully making a staircase down to like Y level 10 in that chunk I was in, which is a slime chunk. So hopefully we'll be able to get plenty of slime balls. Then we'll be able to make a couple 1-tick farms, and we can use both for sugarcane, but eventually one can be converted to bamboo once we actually get bamboo. Where's me iron? Oh, there's like an unused sword and stuff. Oh, it's in here. I'm dumb. Now let's put that in there. Let's go out, chomp down on some beef, and go mine some stuff. But let's go to sleep first. It's so nice seeing the diamond armor. Let's start making a staircase here. Bruh. Free iron on the way. It's free real estate. We'll keep the staircase inside the chunk. But then, to make a slime farm, we need lots of iron for the iron golems. So we're going to have to work on the iron farm. And that's what we are doing right now. Right now I am working on getting the zombie into place, because while I was trying to get the villagers to sleep up on the top so I could drop them in, I happened to get a couple of perfect specimens, which right now I hope it doesn't despawn. I am just trying to move into position. Please don't despawn. No. This is fun. So, I will hopefully see you once I've got some zombies and villagers into this. Because that's going to take a while. And then we'll see if it works and get unlimited iron. So that we can make a slime farm. So we can make slime balls. Oh, so we can make sticky pistons. So we can make a one-tick farm. And do lots of other juicy stuff. But yeah, I will see you after I've done that. So, we now have a working iron farm. But now the next problem is the search for pumpkins begin. So we need to start a little pumpkin farm. So we can put pumpkins on the iron blocks. Because that's going to be a big problem if we don't have any of those. So, it's time to start looking. And while we're here, we might as well share some sheep as well. But yeah, pumpkins, here we come. Pumpkins. I think we can find them in this biome, but I think they're probably more likely to be in the places I haven't explored yet. And that was dumb taking that much damage, so... Oh, mushrooms. We should grab up some mushrooms while we're there. And sugarcane. But yeah, once we've got some pumpkins, then we're set for life. It's just getting those pumpkins in the first place. So that's gonna be fun. Hopefully, there might be some up here, hopefully. And wheat, coal, buried treasure map. I think it's time for a treasure hunt. So we are here. According to the map, it should be right here. Skeletano. Oh, that was great. That was free labor. I don't need seeds. Perfetto. I don't need the arrows. Don't need the cobblestone. So, treasure. Now, with my big brain idea of trading with villagers, I will see you back at home. So, I'm back home. I put away the stuff. Now we're gonna grab some emeralds. And we're gonna go see how many villagers we have. First we're gonna sleep. Then if we have one, we're gonna make it a farmer. Actually no, we'll just use the one that's already out there as a one to get pumpkins, but we'll use him. Hopefully we don't need too many emeralds. We will trade with him to get pumpkins, because they usually have a pumpkin trade. We may have to trade some carrots with him to get some, and potatoes and stuff to get some more emeralds to trade with him, but that's fine. Poop. He's not gonna like that, but yeah, we need wheat. So, I will see you once I have the stuff I need. I know this video has a lot of cuts in it and it's annoying for me, but the thing is that all of this took a while. It's all just really hard to do. Everything takes ages. Yeah, no. No. Bruh. You suck. You really suck. I guess we're going out looking for pumpkins. But that will be next episode. Or maybe a couple episodes away, because I think something that is really is long awaited is actually beating the game. So next episode we're going to prepare to beat the Ender Dragon, and then I guess we may start it, but I guess the next episode after that will be beating the Ender Dragon, so and then we can go find Elytra and shulker boxes. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I don't know how long this episode is. It may be only 10 minutes, it may be an hour. I don't know, because a lot of it will probably get cut out, but I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. So, I kind of found pumpkins after like 3 hours of looking, and then I had to run all the way back again. But then when I got back, I found that I had pumpkin seeds. So that's why you see none of the pumpkin looking, because it would be a waste of time. And I don't want to put in 3 hours of me on a boat or running through trees. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time when I won't spend 3 hours looking for something I already have.